This advanced feature can be again found from the dashboard main menu and here under Manage Reports. Just for some background information on this, Euclid users can build their own custom free marker report templates or reuse report templates which are available to them. Report templates permit users to generate reports of Euclid information in different formats, such as RTF, PDF, CSV, or HTML. With this April release, these report templates can be uploaded and managed in any given Euclid instance with the right permissions. Let's see how this works. So like when we went to the user management, we have for the report management, a list of reports that have been created in this Euclid instance. Like with the user management, these can be sorted. You can search for them, again with the values that you see on the screen. So the report name that I've given, the output of the report, the expected output, and the description. And a user can also create a new report. Let's go into one of these custom reports. You will notice, like for the user management, there are a few mandatory fields. First of all, you should always give a name to your report so you can identify it when you generate it from a Euclid entity. You should also give a description, although this is not mandatory, but very much helps you to identify what the report is doing. The next field is mandatory, which is the output type. You should always give an output type to your report so that so that Euclid knows what is the type of generation it should be generating. The next section is the templates. Here, you should always upload a main template. This is mandatory, but you can also upload additional templates if needed. Next, there's a possibility to set the style sheet options. As this is a CSV output, as identified here, a style sheet is not needed, as style sheets are only used for PDF and RTF generation. By default, it's always good to choose the default style sheet if you're generating an RTF or PDF report. This will be outputted in a portrait format. And finally, there's the mandatory option to select a working context. This will associate this report with a working context which it can be generated from. In this case, I've selected some reach working context for which this report can be generated. As I've now created this report and I filled in all the mandatory fields where the red asterisk is, I can generate this from any substance.